Welcome, and thank you for being here. The funeral program site understands that planning ahead can feel uncomfortable, especially if you don't want a traditional funeral. But writing down your wishes isn't about formality. It's about clarity, peace of mind, and protecting the people you love during a difficult time. In this video, we'll walk through how to write down your funeral wishes step by step, even if you don't want a service at all. We'll cover what to include, what you can skip, and how clear communication can help prevent stress or conflict for your family later on. The funeral program site understands that not everyone wants a traditional funeral, but writing down your wishes is still one of the most loving things you can do for your family. If you don't want a funeral, start by clearly stating that. Then include what you do want instead. This might be cremation or burial, a private graveside moment, a small family gathering at home, or no service at all. Be specific about timing, location, and who should be present so there's no confusion. Next, include practical details. Note who should be contacted, whether you want an obituary or online memorial, and if you'd like any keepsakes such as a memorial card, program, or digital tribute. These small details bring clarity during an emotional time. What you can skip are rigid instructions that create stress, like exact music playlists or long lists of readings, unless they truly matter to you. Simplicity often brings the most peace. To avoid family conflict, write your wishes down clearly, share them with at least one trusted person, and keep the tone gentle. When expectations are clear, loved ones can focus on grieving and remembering, rather than guessing or disagreeing. If this information helped you, take a few moments to write down your wishes today. Even a simple note can make a meaningful difference. And if you're supporting a loved one through planning, clarity now can bring comfort later. For more guidance on meaningful, personal ways to honor life, whether through simple remembrance, digital tributes, or keepsakes, visit the funeral program site. Be sure to subscribe for thoughtful planning resources designed to help families move forward with confidence and care. You're not alone in this, and you don't have to have all the answers today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.